So my name is Chirag. I am the COO online coaching at Moksha Overseas EduCon. So today we are going to understand your journey as an international medical graduate. How do you prepare for these USMLE examinations, and how exactly we at Moksha are going to help you in this journey, right? So good. We have a mixed batch today. We have first, second year students, third, fourth year, and intern graduates attending the session today. So I welcome you all on this Moksha platform. We are going to understand the USMLE examination and the comparison with the PG process in India. All right. So let's quickly begin the journey of the process. All right. So let's discuss the timeline part of it. So if you are in a med school, or if you are, let's say, a graduate, what is your target? Prepare and appear for step 1, prepare for CK, CS, and US clinical rotations. All right. So these are the basic requirements of your USMLE preparations. All right. Please understand this very clearly. You need to build your profile. You need to be very, very clear. You need to build your CV. So you take about 1 year for step 1 if you are a graduate, 1 year for CK, CS, and rotations. So total 2 extra years. And if you start from first year, no problem. Parallel to medical school, in that 5 to 6 years, you will complete everything. Once you are ready with your entire profile, you apply in the month of September. It's an online application for PG in America. Once you make an online application, November to December, January is when you go for your interviews. So in this American process of PG, there are 2 trips to America. One is for the CS rotation exams, and second trip for the interview. Okay, or which you go on a B1, B2 tourist visa. All right. Then, of course, in the month of February, when you apply for the rank order, March is when the results are out, and July onwards your PG starts. So if you understand the process, it's a 1 year of application after you graduate. Okay, and those who are already graduate will spend 1 + 1 + 1 about 3 years. However, USMLE requires hard work. USMLE requires patience. USMLE is a long process. But why do you think more and more people are considering this option? The reason is very logical, because there is a huge shortage of doctors in America. It is anticipated that they require 1,21,000 doctors yearly, but they only have 42,000 doctors. So that gap is what IMGs will be filling up. Second, again, I am telling you, I only talk on data. And this is official information, official data. So the orange bar is the number of PG seats in America, which is increasing very fast. Yellow bar is the number of MBBS seats in America. Now that's not that high. So more PG seat, less MBBS seats, and which is why the gap. And this gap is filled by international students. So I hope now you are clear why Indian students are preparing for USMLE. Because what happens in India, the PG seats are 30,000. Okay. However, the MBBS seats are around 70,000. Plus, last year, people who don't get admission, they apply for NEET PG. Plus, last year who didn't get admission, they apply. Plus, there are eternal optimists. Last 3 years, they've been trying for NEET PG. So every year, 1.5 lakh students sit for NEET PG. And if you minus the quota and the clinical seats in government colleges, only 15,000 seats available, which is why in India, for every 10 students, 1 is getting admission. And because of this huge gap in for every 2, 1 is getting admission. I hope now you are clear that why Indian students are working hard to make a career in America. There is a great career opportunity in terms of settling there. You have a good salaries as an internal medicine, family medicine practitioner, as a pediatrician. The top 5 specialization after PG: plastic surgery, orthopedics, cardiology, gastroenterology, and radio. That's how the demand works. I hope you are able to understand this.